Let me tell you something, never it's too late. And you're never too old to embrace your dreams. So if you ever question your age or thought like, no, I am too old to do this, let me tell you, you are not. And let me tell you, you're also not alone. There are more people like me that feel that way, and your feelings are completely valid. So don't you worry about it. Hello, how are you? I am Nina Me, and I am about to change my life again completely, and I am terrified, and I just want you to be part of this as well. Basically, I am moving out of everything I know. I am selling my house. I am getting out of here with my baby and my family. And I also enrolled back to college last week, and I'm 28, and I feel my life is just like going away. I feel too old, and I feel that I wish I was doing all this stuff many years ago, but here I am starting again from zero. And I just want to ask you, do you think me being 28, I am too old to do all this stuff, or I'm in a good age? If you find and you think that I am crazy for what I'm saying, let me tell you, people probably think you're crazy too if you tell them that you have plans and you don't do it because you feel like too old or time is going on you. So please, the first thing I want you to do is stop saying that. The point of all this is I want you to get out of your bubble. I want you to get out of your comfort zone. And I want you to do the things you've been wanting to do for so long. The first thing I want you to do, and it's like super important, is going to be understanding that age is just a number. And yes, I know the older you get more tired and it's harder to do certain things, but it's not impossible. Oh my goodness, it is not. What you can do is just do things little by little. In my case, I have my baby, I have to take care of him, and I am exhausted too. But then I am filming this video when he's sleeping. This is something I always tell you. I film when he sleeps, and then I work on the other times. So I try to find the little times to edit these videos. Where I want to get with this is just take your time to do your things. Little by little, you're going to start incorporating a better schedule to your life, better things that you have to start. You have to do it, at least 1 hour a week, and then you do more and more and more. And I promise you, I know we get tired, and I know some people have more time than others, but there's always at least, I'm telling you, at least 1 hour a week that you can focus on something. Just do what you really want to do. The second thing I want to tell you is get rid of the bad people. Friends, partner, family. People that makes you feel less, people that you go to them and you tell them, look, I am doing this is beautiful, and they just tell you, you shouldn't be doing that. Oh, I don't think you're too old for that. Or this is not for you. Why you want people like that in your life? For real, I'm asking you, and I'm kind of yelling at you. Why do you want people like that in your life? You don't need that. Why do you want to have somebody that is making you sad? And we grew up listening that our partner, it's okay if it makes us feel bad, if we fight. It is not okay. Your partner should be someone that only brings happiness to you, love, and only good stuff. You don't fight. You don't yell. So you need somebody with you that loves you and treats you good. And sometimes it's even better to be alone than being with somebody that is being horrible. Same, the same thing with family and friends. But I'm telling you that because usually it's harder to get rid of your partner instead of doing it with friends and family. You need someone that loves you and supports you in every single plan you have in your life, because your happiness is always before anything else. Which that brings me to my third point, and is choose your people really carefully. Be picky. I know this sounds selfish and horrible maybe, but at the end it's our happiness. When it's people that bring us happiness, when you have a friend and you start knowing someone, instead of going all in that person, see from behind a little bit. Is this person being happy when I tell them my stuff? Is this person telling me new ideas of what should I do with my life? Is this person trying to, make me be my best? If all the answers to that is like positive, that's the person you need in your life. You need someone that cheers you up. You just need to pick really well the people that are around. You're going to try your best. There is always going to be bad people around. Honestly, you never get to meet the people completely. Just try little by little, and you yourself try to be that person you want to have in your life as well. Because everything starts in me. If I love myself, I can allow other people loving myself. Yes. So you just need to attract what you give. Sometimes, when somebody is not that, when that person is like, I shouldn't, if you feel that, stay away from that. The fourth thing I want to tell you is take everything little by little. Take your time to do researches. Take your time to study what you are going to do. Some big decisions are hard. You should always take them if you feel you have to. If you feel you're not happy, you should make those big decisions. Take your time first to think, how are you going to do it, and not be impulsive and just do it right away, because it can be a little bit dangerous. My first massive step was moving out of my country. 8 years ago, it was hard, but it took us, me and my family, about also 6 months doing researches, how to work, how to be legally in America, what we can do, what are our choices, where are we going to live. So we did that really carefully planned, and it worked. Same now. I told you I'm moving out of this house, and my plan right now is a little bit uncertain. We've been thinking about this for about 2 years. I will say a year ago that we finally decided to do it. And we've been planning this little by little. You have to do the things, little by little, and then at the end it's like a big snowball that is rolling down and it's getting bigger and bigger. And just face it when it comes. I have to face it when I sell my house. With this, I want to tell you, just take those risks. Take them. And this brings me to my last point, which is the number 5. It's okay to be scared. I am terrified, but I always think about, if you are scared of a spider, or if you're scared of snakes, if you're scared of whatever, are you going to try to get close to one of them? No, I'm not going to do it. If I am terrified of failing, which I really am, I am going to do this to make me fail? No, I'm going to try to do everything to work hard to not fail. You have to work hard for your things. You have to get out of your comfort zone. Like that, you're going to see that good things are going to come on your way. That's all you have to do. Another thing is, what happens if you fail? You already failed, because all I see is all the things you learned. When I failed with my businesses, all the times I did, I can tell you, I learned about sales. I learned about marketing. I learned a lot about social media. I learned so much that I could not really take those as a failure. Just I learned. Listen to me. I just want to tell you this again. Go write this down on the wall or anywhere you need, because you need to listen to this. You are not too old. You can do things you want. Stop listening to the bad and negative people. They do not belong in your life. I believe in you. So what I want you to do right now is comment, what is that thing you want to do? And honestly, just work on it. I want you to come back here in 3 months and tell me how it goes. And every 3 months, you come back here and write in the comments, now I'm doing this, now I'm doing this thing. I'm going to try to check on every single one of you if I can. And just do it. Listen to me, please. Do it. I know you can. I know you're going to do great. I know you are going to do fantastic. You deserve everything, and you deserve only the good things that happen here in your life. I am going to see you hopefully next week. I am going to try. If not, in a month. Bye bye. I love you.